up, dudes? HW here. One of the coolest things about the Helix is, of course, how many effects are at our fingertips and how weird a lot of those effects can be. I made 8 sort of weird effects in the Helix, and I really dialed them in so that you could turn them on and off in any combination and get something that was kind of strange, but kind of musical, but you could be creative and get something cool out of it. So I put in a bunch of these effects and I called them things like screamy, tipsy, bullhorn, chaos verb, chop chop, confused. And you can actually put these together because there are 8 effects and you can put them on and off in any order. That actually turns out to be 8 effects with each 2 states. On or off. There are a possible 256 weird combinations that's actually tone matched to a little amp. It's this guy right here. It's my my 60s Gibson Skylark. So if you turn off all this stuff, you'll have a pretty cool old Gibson Skylark and you can put your own effects on it, but turn on all the weird stuff and it sounds like this. Check it out, download link below.